Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's video we have this beautiful 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance in stealth gray in our shop, and it's getting our Defense Plus paint protection film installed on the full front end. That includes full hood, full fenders, headlights, and the front bumper. If you're the type of person that likes to wrap your own vehicles, you're a DIY type of person, and you have a brand new Tesla, whether it's a Model 3 or whether it's a Model S, Model X, Model Y, whatever, and you want to wrap your own vehicle, head over to the link in the description below. Use code PERFORMANCE. You can save 5% off of your own DIY PPF kit. But if you're just here to watch a satisfying paint protection film installation, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so we're done installing the paint protection film on the front of this Tesla Model 3 Performance. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are thinking about wrapping your own Teslas, make sure you head over to the description below. We're gonna have a link there, take you to our website where you can buy a DIY PPF kit for any Tesla model out there. Just simply use code PERFORMANCE, you're gonna save 5%, and we'll walk you through the entire process from the wash to the post heating, the way you can drive protected. We'll see you in the next one.